Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Autopsy software. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to enter Autopsy download. You'll get this first link, Autopsy download. Select this. If you want to download for Linux and Mac OS download, you can download this zip file. And for Linux, you will need this kit, which you can download from this link. But we are going to download for Windows. So let's click on this 64-bit MSI installer. This will download the setup file. Once the download is complete, you can click on open. I'll minimize this web browser. So you'll get this welcome to the Autopsy setup wizard and click on next. This is the default directory. If you want, you can change the software installation path. I'll go with the default settings, then click on next. Click on install. You will get a pop-up, select yes. So Autopsy, this software, it is basically a digital forensic software used to investigate and analyze data from computers, hard drives, USB drives, memory cards, and disk images. It can be used to recover deleted files and examine file systems and folders. Then click on Finish. This is the desktop icon for Autopsy software. You will get to see this information window. Autopsy stores data about each case in its central repository. This data is used to ignore common items, identify where an item was previously seen, create personas that groups accounts. You can click on OK. Okay, over here you get an option to create new case, open recent case. Okay, we'll click on this close. And that's how the basic interface of this tool looks. In case, you get an option to create new case, open recent case, okay, unpack and open portable case. In views, then in tools, there are different options. Rest will be enabled once you click on case. Okay. In Windows, you get to see configuration. In help, you can check the details about the software. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.